Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on comparing fractions. Sometimes it is very useful to compare fractions. This is very easily done if the two fractions have the same denominator. If they do not have the same denominator, we just do the required calculation to give them the same denominator. Example 1. Which fraction is larger, 3 over 10 or 7 over 10? Solution. Since the two fractions have the same denominators, this problem is easy to solve. The larger fraction is the one with the larger denominator. Hence, 7 over 10 is larger than 3 over 10. Example 2. Which fraction is larger, 3 over 4 or 7 over 8? We need to make the denominators the same. We find an equivalent fraction to 3 over 4 that has a denominator of 8. So 3 over 4 equals 3 times 2 over 4 times 2. All you do is multiply the top and the bottom by the same number. That leaves the value the same. And the reason we multiply the top and the bottom by 2 is because twice 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Because we want a denominator of 8 to match this one. So 3 over 4 equals 6 over 8. So 7 over 8 is larger than 6 over 8. Hence 7 over 8 is larger than 3 over 4. Because 6 over 8 is the same as 3 over 4. Has the same value. Example 3. Which fraction is smaller, 9 over 10 or 4 over 5? So let's change this here so we have a denominator of 10. So 4 over 5 equals 4 times 2 over 5 times 2, which is 8 over 10. So 4 over 5 is the same as 8 over 10. Now we can make the comparisons because we have the same denominators. So 8 over 10 is smaller than 9 over 10. Hence, 4 over 5 is smaller than 9 over 10. Example 4. Place 7 over 8, a half and 3/4 in order from lowest to highest. So make all the denominators equal to 8. So a half equals 1 times 4 over 2 times 4, though that's 4 on 8. So a half equals 4 on 8. 3 over 4 equals 3 times 2 over 4 times 2, and that's 6 over 8. So, from lowest to highest we have 4 over 8, 6 over 8, and 7 over 8. And using the original fractions, from lowest to highest we have a half, 3/4, and 7 over 8. So this has been a very interesting video, and we've seen what we need to do with numerators and denominators to compare fractions. When the denominators are the same, it's very easy. When they're not the same, just do the necessary calculation to make them the same.